So kung nakita natin, yung kanyang coolant sensor, no, is naka-attach doon sa kanyang water pump. So we need to be very very careful here. Okay, because this sensor here is we're gonna reuse it. We're gonna find out if we have the same water pump that goes in there. Very important. Dapat na yung sensor sa water pump, so hindi na natin kailangan tatanggalin. Kakabit na. Maganda. Good, good. Change time belt. Dapat yung set. Natin ang yung ba nilalagyan yung tinatiming nila yung high pressure pump, but tayo tinatiming natin, no, kasi in the long run matataka kayo na bakit malakas gas ang inyong sasakyan dahil po sa kanyang high pressure pump hindi po tinatiming, no. So and then karamihan din bumabagsak sa emission dahil yung kanyang high pressure pump buga na lang, no, hindi na timing yung kanyang high pressure pump, so kailangan accurate talaga yung pagbuga ng kanyang fuel doon sa combustion chamber. Precision timing talaga para mag-burn siya ng exact na-burn yung fuel correctly. Ayun, sinusunod talaga natin yung protocol dito, which is the company in the Volkswagen protocol to timing the high pressure pump. Okay, so yan. Buti na medyo malaki. Yan. Ready to go, Ed. Kung alalayan pa rin natin ang pagtanggal ng belt tensioner. Alalayan pa rin natin para hindi masyadong madisturbo yung pagbaba ng kanyang belt tension. Yan lang. Tatandaan ko natin ito. Kailangan naka-home yung paglagay sa kanyang belt tensioner. Pagka nagpalit yung bago, kailangan naka-home position ko. Yung kanyang lock. Maglalap na ito sa mag-iikot ng reverse. Or counter reverse. Okay, tandaan po natin ito yung pinakadelikado na trabaho, no? Dahil everything is like engine timing. So you need to have a precision here. Otherwise you miss up the timing and then you're gonna fuck up the engine and then that's really bad. Okay, so yung kanyang dito, yung kanyang tawag dito, yung kanyang coolant sensor, kailangan natin picker para ma-release yung kanyang sensor. So yung kanyang sensor dito, dito po screwdriver top, atin picker. So dito siya nagliliking, no? Dito banda. So bumigay talaga. Dito siya. Timing belt. Nakita nyo? Talagang it's really time. Imagine guys, this is a Volkswagen Golf 182. 182 ah. And then yung timing belt niya is wala na talaga. Cracking na talaga. Sila. Oh God. So tama lang na nabigay ng signal yung water pump nga mag-leaking para mapalitan talaga yung timing belt kasi ang timing belt cracking na. Okay. So anytime from now it will snap kung hindi napalitan ito and cause more damage. So really bad. See? Time belt bad. So again, tamang-tama lang talaga na napalitan yung kanyang or nag-leaking yung kanyang water pump. Dahil kung hindi nagbigay ng signal ang water pump na mag-leaking, maputol na talaga tong timing belt na ito. See? Anytime from now it will snap, as you can see. Cracking really bad. So imagine this is 182 Volkswagen Golf 182. So better off early as possible change your timing belt. Really bad timing belt. 182 very bad timing belt. So early as possible. Don't let your car or engine running even if it is not 10 years old. Early as possible you have to change timing belt, as you can see. Okay, ito napalitan lang ito dahil nag-leaking yung kanyang water pump, no? Kaya napilitan but as you can see timing belt is also very bad. So really good time to change timing belt.